How to move messages to spam in Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily move messages to spam in your Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open your Messenger app. Then once you're in your Messenger app, you have to press and hold the chat that you want to move to spam. So for example, if I want to move to spam this guy person, you have to just press and hold it, and then here few options will pop up. Now from here you have to tap on restrict, and that whole chat is moved to restricted, and that is very much similar to moving to spam. And if you want to find where you have moved that person, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here, then tap on this settings icon, and then here tap on privacy and safety, and then in privacy and safety you will see a restricted accounts. Tap on it and you can see here that person is moved here. If you tap on it, you can see there all of the messages, and if you just want to unrestrict, you can tap on unrestrict and that person will be unrestricted. And so this is how you can move messages to spam in Messenger. Thanks for watching.